Hey, it's Angela, and does the fat gene really exist? So, this was on Twitter the other day.
How is obesity genetic? Is there a fat gene I need to be researching?
Oh girl. There is a lot for you to learn. Lucky for you, you don't have to do any research because I'll be doing it all for you in this video. First of all, obesity is actually genetic. In terms of the fat gene though, it's not that straightforward. Here's why. Obesity is really complex. There isn't one gene or one reason why people are obese. What we do know though is that obesity is a result of your genes, the environment that you're in, and energy balance all working together. Let's break that down. Energy balance. This is the balance of energy coming in, so calories from eating food, and energy going out, so when you use up those calories in exercise. If there's an energy imbalance, for example, you're eating too much food and not exercising, and if this happens for a prolonged period of time, you become obese. Genes and the environment. Obesity is influenced by your genes interacting with the environment that you're in. Being susceptible to obesity has to do with genetic factors, but your genes, which are susceptibility genes, need to be interacting with an obesogenic environment for someone to be obese. Let's look at a real-life example of this. These are the Pima Indians. They live in the obesogenic environment of Arizona, surrounded by things like McDonald's, KFC, Taco Bell, and all that stuff. They're one of the fattest population groups in the States and cope with so many diseases such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and cancer. However, there's another Pima community of only 700 people who live in the restrictive environment of northern Mexico. Their ancestors separated from the main tribe and migrated there about 1,000 years ago. These people are 60 pounds lighter than their American cousins. Diabetes and obesity are virtually unknown, and the only thing that distinguishes these two groups is their lifestyle. The Mexican people live like their ancestors, walking everywhere, washing clothes by hand, and spending 22 hours a week in hard labor. There's no internet and certainly no McDonald's. They eat a traditional diet of vegetables and corn tortillas high in fiber and low in fat. The American Pima people don't do that, and they're the complete opposite. This shows us how susceptibility genes interact with the environment to determine obesity. Adults of present-day industrialized countries have a hunter-gatherer genome, but live in a sedentary, food-abundant society. This mismatch between our ancient biology and present-day living circumstances can lead to energy imbalance and eventually to obesity. So the important thing to take away from this is that genes will never drive you to obesity, even though it's highly heritable. It's always genes interacting with the environment. Alright, that's it for me guys. I hope you liked the video and that you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!